Sunrise paints the ocean gold, a gentle breeze begins to blow. Engine hums a steady rhythm, time to cast off, here we go. On the deck of Brandy Joe, a classic trawler, strong and true, leaving worries far behind with the open sea in view. Cruising Brandy Joe, feel the Caribbean sun, waving to the dolphins, living life, having fun. Turquoise waters calling, a new adventure every day. With Brandy Joe beneath me, I'm sailing all the way. Past green islands, palm trees swaying, hidden coves and sandy bays. Every anchorage a postcard through these lazy sunlit days. No rush hour, no more sirens, just the sound of waves and gulls. Sharing stories, making memories as the ocean gently lulls. Cruising Brandy Joe, feel the Caribbean sun, waving to the dolphins, living life, having fun. Turquoise waters calling, a new adventure every day. With Brandy Joe beneath me, I'm sailing all the way. From the keys to crystal clear, the islands whisper ancient tales. Every journey a discovery, powered by the tropic gales. My classic beauty, steadfast friend, through calm and gentle swell she glides. A floating home, a peaceful haven where my happy spirit rides. Cruising Brandy Joe, feel the Caribbean sun, waving to the dolphins, living life, having fun. Turquoise waters calling, a new adventure every day. With Brandy Joe beneath me, I'm sailing all the way. Oh, Brandy Joe, my Brandy Joe, the open sea, the endless blue, cruising on forever free with dreams and skies brand new.
Okay guys, well, after a good night in Goodland, Florida, where we went to Stan's Idle Hour for some good food and walked around town. This place really is old Florida. We are now arriving in Marco Island. This looks like somebody lost the boom of their crane. That's what it looks like when we were driving by. I don't know really why it was there, but it was interesting looking. Up here we'll be going into Smokehouse Bay where we'll anchor, and then we will take a small dinghy tour around the bay. And here we are at the entrance to Smokehouse Bay. Great little anchorage, fits a lot of boats, great holding. As you'll see in the dinghy tour, I believe, there's a dinghy dock at the grocery store up here. Coming into Smokehouse Bay from one of the side channels. I don't know what they call Smokehouse Bay. There ain't a smokehouse in sight. I haven't looked.
Who is that? Tony called you?
Yeah. Tony and Elijah. The other shore. This is pretty cool. We had a couple of dolphins cruising along with us. There's the marina and the retail area. It's a little shaky. I'm trying to do this, on a dinghy, so here's what it is. What are you doing? I got it. You're backwards. Can't steer it backwards. And you got this guy. Summer Sweet. Summer Star. Summer Suits, that's it. And you got Summer Suits over here. Look at that thing. Another little spot to anchor right in here. And there's the bridge. Kids jumping off of it. Cool. Throwing his shoes at him. How nice. Where did I get there? Okay, cool. You guys going on YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Huh?
What's the YouTube?
Cruising Brandy Joe.
Cruising Brandy Joe.
Yeah.
All right.
It'll be a little while, but I'll get you there. And here we are coming up on the Winn-Dixie dinghy dock. You get the dock here, you walk across the parking lot, you're right at the store. You can also walk to downtown restaurants and shopping. There's, what's in here? There's a Publix in there, there's a West Marine, a bunch of restaurants, gas stations, 7-Eleven, dollar store, numerous others. It's a good stop. Okay, here we are back out into the bay. We're about done with our dinghy tour here. A couple more minutes. Just a very wealthy area. Great stop. Lots of restaurants, lots of stores. Definitely a good stop along your way. Especially if you're coming from or going to the Keys. Really, really good stop. Well, here we are coming to the end of this video. Do us a favor, give us a like. We like likes. Subscribe. And leave us a comment. Let us know if you like these kind of videos or if you want us to do something different. Let us know what you think. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.